Hello everyone, my name is Jessie. Today I will take you a visit to our factory. Let's go. Hello, I'm now standing at the packing workshop. Now follow me and we will take a look at the finished fair piece. Now the fair piece are finished and they are packed by the iron pallets here. After they are checked by the quality controller and they will be ready for shipment. Now the worker is check the quality and then add the barcode sticker. Then we can load the goods tomorrow. Okay, this is the whole scenery of the packing area and the finished goods area.